Ram Ram Mandali. Mandali, today I will give you a detailed description of Aries sign in my own words and my own way. If Aries is your moon sign or your ascendant, ascendant means Lagna Rashi in Sanskrit, or if you wish to know more about Aries people, then this video is for you. Mandali, I am an astrology counselor and my name is Kiran Shetty. I welcome you to my Jyotish Chaupal. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it as I discuss various aspects of astrology on this platform. Mandali, Aries, called as Mesha Rashi in Vedic astrology, is first sign of the zodiac. As being first, it is an odd sign, and that's why the gender of Aries is masculine. We find a whole lot of masculine qualities in Aries people, like being straightforward, instant anger, high self-esteem, well-toned body frame. Here, the modality is cardinal. Modality indicates the behavior. The behavior of Aries people is of being in a state of continuous action. This doesn't mean that Aries are always into some productive activity. It means that even when they are not doing anything productive, they will do some mischief or hang out somewhere. They just can't sit idle. The element associated with Aries is fire. This makes Aries people quick-tempered. Even women belonging to Aries are sharp with their words and have a sharp nose. Like fire, Aries people too always try to move upward. That means improving their present condition. They always strive to be better than what they are at present. The dharma of Aries sign is Kshatriya. Dharma is the duty that one has to perform in the journey of their life. The duty assigned to Aries is of being a warrior, to be always in a state of alert. So we find Aries people readily taking up challenges, quickly taking stand against any injustice or trying to protect the weak. The lordship of Aries is assigned to planet Mars, and as per Vedic astrology, Mars is the commander-in-chief. Also, Mars symbolizes energy. The kinetic energy in nature is represented by Mars. Now, try to visualize an Aries guy or an Aries girl in front of you. A well-toned physique, sharp eyes and sharp nose, strong vocals, ready for the action, firm, aggressive, dominant. Now, imagine a ram, a male sheep, with his head down and ready to dash his head against his opponent. That is the symbol of Aries in astrology, a ram. So by now it is very clear that Aries is action, Aries is energy, Aries is taking things head on. Aries people believe in practicality, target oriented people. But this doesn't mean that these people are not emotional, but their emotions don't come out as tears or they don't feel low. When things go wrong, their emotion come out as anger. When they love passionately, are little bit possessive, but very much protective of their loved ones. For them, emotion is not about cuddling you or pampering you. Neither they will sit and shed tears with you. Instead, they will attack the root cause of your troubles and worries so that you will be relieved of your pain and troubles. They will act for you and show their love. Aries are quick to take actions. They don't like stretching things. They are like decide, act and finish. And with this high energy and quick decision taking ability, Aries people quickly switch between things. They don't take too long thinking upon. To be or not to be is never their case. So you will find Aries people switching their jobs quite often in the initial years. Of course, everyone does it, but not as quick and as many times as Aries people do. Aries people love to pursue careers where they can showcase their energy and physical strength, like armed forces, police, law enforcement, sports, athletics, bodybuilding, firefighting, electronics, construction, furnaces, metallurgy, pilots, drivers, property dealers, etc. It is not like Aries people can't do anything other than this, but whatever they will do it passionately and aggressively. They make sure that they are being noticed for their action. Don't take me negatively, but Aries people love to be the center of attention. When they are proud about something that they possess, they love to flaunt it. If we talk about their health, Aries people are prone to accidents. they will dash against something or something will come and hit them. So injuries can be a big issue, especially around the head area. High blood pressure, headache, sinus, increase of pitta in body, resulting in acidity and ulcers. So the basic precaution any Aries person should take is to keep calm. Go slow. Hard to do so, but should practice this. Aries people can be benefited by worshipping Lord Ganesha or Goddess Durga, chanting Om Gang Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gang Ganapataye Namaha 21 times every day and 108 times on Tuesday will help them calm down. So Mandali, this was my Aries take. I hope you related yourself to this description. Please comment your views in the comment section. We'll take your leave now. Have a great day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.